New estimates show in 2033, retirees will lose $18,000 a year in benefits. There are many misconceptions about what happens when Social Security becomes insolvent. Benefits will still be paid, but since there's no money left in the plan, we'll only be able to pay out what it brings in. In a recent survey by Allianz, 55% of Americans admit they don't know much about Social Security or how it will fit into their retirement plans, and 66% worry that Social Security will not be there when they retire. Now, the $18,000 loss per year would be for the average couple, not per individual. Another issue that is not discussed as much is that it predicted that the Medicare Hospital Insurance Fund will also be empty in 2033, and when that happens, Medicare payments will fall by 11%. So people getting less benefits are going to find it hard to find a doctor or medical facility to accept less. Social Security is a big part of household income for adults over 62 years of age, accounting for roughly half of all their income. To fix the problem, either benefits have to be reduced or taxes need to go up, or perhaps both. It's important to realize that Social Security came out in 1935 when the average life expectancy in the United States was only 61.7 years old. With the retirement age at 65, well, not many people were collecting Social Security. Today, people in the U.S. are living 16.7 years longer, with a life expectancy of 78.4 years. This has not been taken into account over the last 90 years with Social Security, and that's why we're in the mess that we're in today. As life expectancy improved over the years, the retirement age should have also increased at a prorated amount. The best way to fix the problem is to extend the retirement age by 5 years or so, but only for the rich. The reason for this is American men born in 1960, they're in the top quartile by income, are expected to live 12.7 years longer than those in the bottom quartile. This is because they have more money and are generally in better health with better access to a healthier lifestyle. Also, since rich Americans live longer than poor Americans, they collect more from Social Security, so they should have to work a little bit longer, which would reduce the length of time that they would collect from Social Security, and also it would add an additional 5 years, putting more money into the fund. Being the top quintile myself, I would not have a problem with this, and I believe it's the fairest way to solve the problem. Now, I'm sure some will disagree with me, and unfortunately, I don't think the problem will be resolved until whoever gets in office in 2032 is forced to come up with a solution. No president, or Congress for that matter, will want to make such an unpopular decision until they absolutely need to. I'm Brett Wilsey with Wilsey Asset Management. If you like these videos, well, be sure to give it a like or comment, and feel free to check out our other YouTube videos and weekly newsletter for the latest economic news, expert analysis, and market insights.